Hello everybody, welcome again in TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So today I'm going to show you a full tutorial of not connecting your AirPods to your phone's Bluetooth. So if you are facing some issues that your AirPods won't connect to your phone's Bluetooth, whether you are using wireless AirPods or any Bluetooth earbuds, so I will walk you through a step-by-step fix so you can get back to your music calls or podcast. So let's get into it. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves and click that bell icon for never miss any updates of our channel. So let's get started. So the first step, make sure your earpods are actually fully charged. Then pop them into the case and check if their charging indicator lights up or not. So plug the case into the charger at least 10 minutes before retrying. After you have fully charged, so you are good to go. Now the second step, on your phone, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. For that, we have to go to settings. I will use shortcuts, Bluetooth settings, and it is on my Bluetooth, off then on. So it will refreshes your mobile's Bluetooth. And next, then step 3 is put your earpods in pairing mode. For that, for most models, press and hold button on the back of the charging case will, but here in my AirPods there is no pairing button. The LED light will flash if it is in pairing mode. So if you are using a different brand, then check the manual for specific pairing steps. Fourth step, pairing with your phone. Now check your phone and see your earbuds device should be available in the available devices. So it is my device, and tap on this until it is connected. So my AirPods are connected. Still it's not showing it's connected means, so don't worry, I have more tricks to show you, so don't worry. See the next step. Step 5 is resetting your earpods. Hold the pairing button on the case for 15 seconds. If your brand has a pairing button on the back, so you press the button for 15 seconds. But in my device there is no pairing button, but in my model, but I can reset by clicking here for 15 seconds. You can see the first flashlight is indicates, the second and third. In my model there is a reset option is like this. So my earpods are now reset. So these resets the earpods and clears any past connections. So last step is on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings, find your device here. Here is my device name, NoiseBuds VS102 Pro, and forget this device. And your mobile's Bluetooth is also resetted. Now your earpods are reset and it's ready to connect. So let's see. Open your case. Then go to Bluetooth settings and see in the available devices. Here you can see NoiseBuds VS102 Pro. These are the available devices. Then click here. That's it, guys. So it is super simple. No worries. But if you have any still issues, so please do the comments me. So let me know that. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to channel and click that bell icon so you can never miss any updates of our channel. So thanks for watching.